Hello kids, today we are going to make something exciting. Have you learned or heard about the solar system? If not, we'll make an exciting 3D solar system using things you can find at home. You will need one scrapbook, 3 round things of different sizes which are smaller than your paper size. In my case, I'm using a large round pot lid, a medium pot lid, and a small round tin. A planet cutout, which is available on our Facebook page. 1 cardboard box to make the stand. Paints and paintbrush. Glue. Scissors and a pencil. Step 1. Cut the 5 pages from economic scrapbook. Step 2. Using the objects, draw a circle at the center of each page. Step 3. Cut out the circles of the 3 pages. Step 4. Stick the planet cutout sheet on 1 fresh page and cut each planet and the sun out. Step 5. Paint different shades of blue on one side of each cutout page and 1 fresh page. Step 6. Glue and paste the sun and planets, starting with the sun on the last page. Step 7. Then on the sheet with the smallest hole, stick Mercury, Venus and Earth with equal spaces around the circle. Step 8. On the medium-sized hole, stick Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn in a way the planets on the back page can be seen. Step 9. On the last large hole, place the remaining ones, which are Uranus and Neptune. Step 10. Using adult guidance, cut the cardboard into 4 rectangular strips. Equally space out 4 half cuts in them. Step 11. Now the fun stage of putting all of it together. Take the 2 cardboard strips and place them with the cuts upwards. That will be the stand to hold the pages. The second cut. Then in the third cut, put the page with Jupiter . And the last page on the last one. Step 12. You place the remaining 2 cardboard strips on top to keep the gap equal as the bottom. Yes, Mama. That's all kids for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learn how to make your own 3D solar system at home. Bye!